Hello and welcome to Gaslands UK's Car of the Month. This is April's video, April 2021, and we are sponsored this time by Dashlands. These guys make some dashboards which are really cool for your Gaslands games. Go check them out at dashlands.com, and the winners are going to be winning prizes from them. The theme this month is cartoons. So let's start off with Alan's C-Tab here. We got Sonic the Hedgehog with, it's got some coins in the back that he's collecting, which is really cool. And yeah, you could notice right away as soon as you see this build, you know who it is. I'm not super impressed with the paint job on the wheels and the tires there, but I like the nice two mini guns on the top there and the eyes in the window. And is it enough to win? Well, who knows? We'll see at the end. Next we got Bardman Chaik, and he did this Batman meets Angry Birds, and you got a bunch of spikes coming out, and a little driver there in the front. His legs are probably somewhere in the hood, because the engine's in the back, so the front is probably empty like a trunk. The fire is pretty cool in the back. It doesn't quite match the car. It's more cartoony than the rest of the car, but all in all, really nice build. Good job on this one. Next we got Charlie Crump, who did this. Well, it's hard to tell with these pictures, but it's a flying boat slash car slash helicopter kind of thing. I really like the suction cups idea to do blades. That's really smart. Really like that. Might steal it. But it's from Wacky Racers Professor Pat Pending's Converto car. Next we got Jack Burton, who did this cars from Cars looking thing with the eyes in the window and the cannon in the front. It's got a cool little shield in the back window, and I really like the paint job on it. It's not like spray painted on. It all looks hand painted, which is really cool. And he named it the Wasteland McQueen, so that's a pretty cool car. Next up we got Jacob Harris with this Magic Kill Bus. Feel free to pause if you want to read this. And it's really cool. Zombie killing machine. This is perfect for the apocalypse. He's even put a little zombie there on the side for scale size, and he's got the engine in the back coming out with the smoke. He added some wings there to I guess keep it stabilized. You don't want to fly off with this magic bus. Maybe you do, who knows. Next we got Jonathan Howard. He did this really cool looking old vintagey truck. I'm not sure which cartoon it's from. Maybe I'm too old, maybe I'm too young, but it's got a little Michelin there on the hood, which is really cool. Gatling gun, or no, flamethrower in the front, and it's probably part of this team here, the Red Baron team, which is maybe a cartoon. I don't know, but here's some of his info if you want to read that. Next we got Kilgore MJ. Did this car, the Hunter, and the driver is named Rock, and he put it up on this little maquette here with some smoke. He's doing a nice little peel out there, and got some guns coming out of the hood. It's very simple car, but it looks fast, sleek, and I mean, not much more to say there. You got two guns coming out of the hood, and that's basically it for this build. I miss those mags. Do they still make Hot Wheels with those mags? Next we got Matt Andrews, who did these little things inspired by Pew Pew Molcars. And to be honest, when I first saw it, I thought it was the Dumb and Dumber truck. But yeah, it's inspired by those Pew Pews. And even the tires are fuzzy. So you got some guys stuck in the fuzz there. There's one guy, I think, in the passenger side. I like the eyes and the mouth. They're quite not there, but it still makes a face. Yeah, there's the passenger there, or the driver, depending what country you're on. Next, we got Matt Reeve. He's doing something from one of my favorite cartoons, Mask, and he did the Thunder Hawk, and he nailed it. He really nailed this thing. It's amazing looking. The windows are really cool, cartoon looking, and he's got the driver in there. The doors are open with you have the guns on the side of the door. Even added some detail to the floor and the base there. He's got the logo in the back. It's a really nice build, and it looks exactly like this car, and so nice job with that one. Next we got Nick Woodruff, who's done something with the Fallout IP, which is one of my favorite games, and this truck is amazing. Just love the bobblehead and the rocket, and just the style of the truck. It's completely reminiscent of this truck when you see it, and I don't know where you found that, but it's a really good build, man. Next we got Paul Chapman Moss with this Metal Gear game, the little box on the top there, and the guy with a question mark on his head, and it opens up on the side, and there's a bunch of detail inside. You got some crazy mad scientists here working on basically a nuke, and so many Metal Gear Solid things in there. Really cool, and it's got the harpoon in the back to just grab you and pull you along. Next we got Ricky Williams, who's done this Bumblebee, and it's so creepy looking, man. Look at this thing. Yeah, so driving and seeing this thing running after you is scary as hell. It's kind of like a Slenderman meets Bumblebee. It's got rust all over it, and I really like the idea of turning your favorite cartoon into one of these cars. Really cool. Next we got Tombo Baxter, who wanted to recreate the truck, and he did, and it looks exactly like it. I mean, he took the toy from the 90s, took a Hot Wheels from today, and turned it back into exactly what it used to look like, the Ninja Turtles television Channel 6 van. Really cool. Too bad it's only 2 pictures, but next we got Tony Peacock, who took the Reboot car. You remember that car that you see once in a while? And yeah, he turned it into this amazing thing. The paint job on it's really cool. It's hard to tell the scale of this car, if it's big or small, and when you have a hard time telling the scale, it's because the paint job is well made. Like, this is just super reminiscent of the old Reboot car. They even added the metal plate there on the side, so really cool work and job on this one. It's just missing some guns. Next we got Zach Steiner. Pause the video here if you want to read the story behind this cool car, and it's really interesting. It's got different face plates that you could change, and you got the dog there, and basically the car came from Car Town, and he's trying to win the races so they get to Mars and meet up with the scientist that could bring him back to Car Town. And I think those are all the entries for the month of April for the Gaslands UK. Let's check out the third place winner, which is Ricky Williams with the Bumblebee. This is really cool. Like I said, creepy looking, and taking one of your favorite childhood cartoons and turning it into a Gaslands monstrosity. Must have been super fun as a build here. So congrats on winning third. Next we got second place winner Matt Reeve with this mask car, which is to me a really amazing job. There's just nothing wrong with this thing. It's perfect. It flies. It's got the wings. It's got the guns on the doors. It's a really nice build, Matt. And the winner for April is Nick Woodruff with the Fallout truck. I kind of knew he was going to win when I saw the pictures. I was like, oh my god, this thing is perfect, and he's got all the little details that don't even come from Fallout, but they're there, and they are reminiscent of the game, and bring you right back into the game and gives you the feeling of playing. So good job on that one, man. And that's it. So if you guys want to support my channel, you could always go to the Etsy page in the description, and we've got stuff there for sale. So whatever you buy there helps me out, supports the channel, helps me continue edit these videos and make some Gasland TV videos for you. There's a bunch of stuff you could get, like containers full of guns, and there's even flamethrowers and fire effects. And go check out the Gaslands UK Facebook page and the Gaslands TV Facebook page for other contests every month. So thanks for watching, guys, and please comment and let the people know what you think of the builds in the comments below. Appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Take care, everyone.